अस्सलाम वालेकुम। मेरा नाम है मोहम्मद वकास आमिर। मैंने डीएमटी में एसईओ का कोर्स स्टार्ट किया था मेरे एक फ्रेंड के रेफरेंस से, जो कि मेरे लिए काफ़ी प्रॉफिटेबल साबित हुआ अब तक, और आगे भी इंशाल्लाह ताला प्रॉफिटेबल मोर देन दैट आई विल गेट इट। बिफोर स्टार्टिंग कोर्स I was too much nervous, not a little bit, too much. I think sir and ma'am knows everything, and I think they are remembering by seeing my face. I was just here to get graphic design course, but sir advised me to do SEO, and with that, that was a changeable time for me. While learning SEO, I get to know what is technology, what is future. I also did a internship for SEO, and with that, I also get interested in social media. And time by time, I learned each and everything because of the concept which is given me by Sir Naik, and I'm lucky, sir. Thank you. I'm not a well-educated person. I'm normally metric pass. It's been 2009 and today is 2025. Too much big difference. And even though sir or ma'am knows that I even know how to talk, and right now I'm in front of you all, and I just struggled for 2.5 months after the course for job because of my education. But the course which I have done, that gave me benefit, even though after 2.5 months, and now I am earning for means के मैं अपनी सोच से भी ज़्यादा कमा रहा हूँ by job, and further I am working for the freelancing and the things which I need or for the future or for myself. That's it. Thank you.